For today, it is the last 3 days of our quarantine/off before. Kaya, we have to go out and do our errands like pagbabayad sa credit card, redoing our kitchen, or at least man lang i-edit namin ang kitchen namin to buy yung mga kailangan namin. Question, naglo-lotion pa ba kayo? Today is mga 35 to 36 degrees outside. Whether you like it or not, we have to apply sunscreen, especially sa face. Ito ang ginagamit ko. Bello BB Cream. Ang habol ko lang dito is yung SPF 50. Maganda yung mga products ni Bello kasi syempre dermatologist from the Philippines compared sa mga ibang brand. At least yung kay Bello, alam niya and naka-base sa weather ng Pilipinas kung gano'ng kainit. So, let's go because naghihintay na si driver. So, ito yung magulo naming kitchen. Tignan mo nga naman. Masyadong madumi. So, ang gagawin namin is, ire-redo namin to. Papagandahin namin. And, thank you nga pala kay Pastor Lakaden for giving us mangoes. Kay Pastor Anelia for giving us this. And yon malunggay. And this from Pastor Lakaden. This from malunggay flowers na hindi pa namin alam kung paano lutuin. Isa-search namin yan. And thank you for the pancake, Mama and Papa. So, yun. So, first ang gagawin namin, i-measure namin yung size ng sticker na ilalagay namin. The things to bring, of course, number 1 is your DIARIES ID. And then, tissue. Kasi mainit sa labas. And wallet. And keys. And sanitizer. And alcohol. Let's go. Degrees outside. Ta-da! Reusable mask. Hi everyone, while waiting for Jade, I just want to speak about productivity these days na hawak mo yung oras mo, walang work, bawal lumabas. Siguro pare-parehas lahat tayo na sometimes we feel guilty about not being productive. Maybe almost 1 month na ngayon. Gusto ko lang sabihin na it's okay na medyo hindi ka productive minsan, not motivated, kasi minsan wala na yung sense ng urgency because parang tumigil yung buong mundo. It's okay to feel like wala ka sa mood na gawin ng isang bagay. For me, sa mga panahon ngayon, because I know everyone is stressed out dahil nga wala na silang nagagawa, for me it's important to i-priority yung staying positive. It's important for you to eat well and mag-relax muna. Kahit wala kang ginagawa, hindi ka physically pagod ngayon, minsan we are stressed out because of the issues. Kaliwat ka na ng issue ngayon. So, it is important for you just to relax, slow down. it is not the time for you to starve yourself. Pare-parehas lahat tayo, guys. Huwag kayong mag-alala. Hindi lang ikaw. Hindi ka nag-iisa. Kung tumigil ang mundo, okay lang nga parang slow down ka muna. What I mean to slow down is not to think of work muna. And then, isipin mo muna yung good health and relaxation activities and stress relieving. So, yun. Dito na sila. Today, magluluto tayo ng jajang, ramen, and combination of bulgogi ramen plus yan na, dahil matagal maluto ang beef. May beef naman to, made with chicken, beef, pork, and chicken broth. Lagi kong pipiliin. Nakikiupo lang ako kanina dito. Pero unti-unting nakikita kong madami na din nakaupo dyan. Akala nila may pila. plus suka. Part size kumada ko dito. One hour later, after one night, after cleaning the sink and pinatuyo, it's time to put the wallpaper. But bitin.